to do this basically to see if streaming would work. Last time I've tried this, I ran into some technical difficulties this time. I'm hoping things would slightly be different. So I wanted to look at the crypto market. In particular, I wanted to look at Bitcoin as well as a few other crypto assets, given what has happened in the market. Keep in mind everything I say is on an opinion-based basis. Pursue at your own risk and do your own due diligence. Bitcoin, I think the pattern currently been neutral around 9,250. I was actually expecting it to be neutral at around 9.5K. It's been sort of underperforming the last few weeks. So I still think it's a hold, but I feel like there's a lot of resistance levels, and I think it still has a long ways to go in terms of maintaining momentum in comparison to what has happened in the past. DAS, I think DAS is currently underrated. It recently was expected to be bullish, but then it ended up staying neutral because it was meeting with many people meted DAS with some bearish resistance. So lots of the correlation curves that you'd have expected with DAS to have a positive retracement ended up not happening. It also is pretty neutral. Dogecoin is Dogecoin I've been bearish against recently, and there's been a lot of speculation in terms of what happened that sort of makes it look very risky right now, kind of like this dumb trend that was going on in this Chinese website called TikTok, telling people to basically like pump up the price and dump it as like a social media challenge. And I pretty much think that's an illogical reason for any crypto to go up, and you're seeing the whole bearish correlation with Dogecoin happening right now as a direct result of this quote unquote trend. PIVX I wanted to look at because I feel like if you're going to look at DAS, an interesting altcoin to also look into is PIVX. I feel like PIVX is a decent DAS alternative, and I feel like currently it is underrated. It has been quite positive recently, and I feel like right now could be potentially a good entry. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.